असं मी नेहमीच विचार करतो. संजय दत्तच्या बाबतीत विचारलं, म्हटलं बाबा त्याला तुम्ही शिक्षा द्यायची नाही द्यायची, जास्त मुभा द्यायच्या, तुमचा प्रांत आहे. मी काय करू शकतो माझ्याकडनं शिक्षा द्यायची म्हणून? मी त्याचा सिनेमा पाहायचा नाही. त्याच्या पलीकडे काय करणार किंवा त्याच्याबरोबर काम नाही करायचं नट म्हणून.
It was a double whammy for Sanjay Dutt. After getting slammed by Nana Patekar, Sanju Baba was issued a non-bailable warrant, which is regarding the same criminal complaint that producer Shakil Noorani had earlier filed against Sanjay Dutt, stating that he was threatening him to kill.
मैं वन मैन ये है बस, और मैं अकेला हूँ, मैं लड़ रहा हूँ और ये मैं प्रोड्यूसर के बेनिफिट के लिए भी कर रहा हूँ. मैं आगे ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट किसी के साथ ना हो, क्योंकि एक फिल्म जब शुरू होती है तो 100 घर का उस पर रोजी रोटी होती है. एक फिल्म बंद होने पे 100 घर के रोजी रोटी बंद हो जाती है.
Well, yes, all is surely not well with Sanju Baba these days, as he's once again hitting the headlines and for all the wrong reasons. First, industry's well-known actor Nana Patekar has given a green signal to the anti-Sanjay Dutt campaign. Second, giving a verdict on the Shakil Noorani case, a Mumbai court has issued a non-bailable warrant against Sanjay Dutt.
भाई ये थर्ड डेट थी अपीयरेंस के लिए ऑनरेबल कोर्ट के सामने, और लास्ट डेट पे जब 12 तारीख को डेट था तो वो संजय दत्त अपीयर नहीं हुए थे, लेकिन उनके एडवोकेट ने ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ हिज क्लाइंट हैड मेड अ स्टेटमेंट बिफोर द कोर्ट दैट इन एनी केस ही इज गोइंग टू प्रोड्यूस द अक्यूज्ड बिफोर द कोर्ट ऑन और बिफोर 17th of this month. So the considering his statement, last chance was given to the accused, but as per his statement, the accused did not appear before the court on or before 17th, and even on today itself he was not present before the court. So considering the continuous default in appearance, the court have issued a warrant upon our application.
Well, this is the same case for which Shakil has been fighting for the last 10 years. According to the producer, Sanjay had walked out of his film halfway, and when he spoke to Baba about the matter, he apparently threatened to kill the producer. And since Sanjay wasn't present during the hearing of the case on Monday, the court issued a non-bailable warrant. But after getting the news, Sanjay reached the court and put in a bail application, following which he was granted one for 10,000 rupees. As far as Nana's comment on Sanjay Dutt is related,
मी काय करू शकतो माझ्याकडनं शिक्षा द्यायची म्हणून? मी त्याचा सिनेमा पाहायचा नाही. त्याच्या पलीकडे काय करणार किंवा त्याच्याबरोबर काम नाही करायचं नट म्हणून.
Then let us tell you, he is the first Bollywood actor who has showed no sympathy towards Sanjay Dutt, while the others are still standing up for him.
I'm a very, very big Sanjay Dutt fan. I consider him as one of my idols. He's a great human being. He's a lovely man. And he doesn't deserve this.
He's a sweetheart, you know. I was once stuck in Goa, and he's the one who came for my rescue. So he totally does not deserve where he is. He's really, really generous. He's very sweet. He's very humble.
Now, whether Nana Patekar's stand is justified or that of the rest of Bollywood is something we leave to you to decide.